Tired of scrolling through a messy Gmail sidebar full of labels you never use? Learn to customize it in under 2 minutes. First, we'll access the label settings. Then, I'll show you how to hide or show system and custom labels. Finally, see your clean sidebar. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Then, on the left sidebar, click on More to expand additional options. Now, click on Manage Labels to open the label settings. In the System Labels section, you can choose whether each built-in label appears in the sidebar. Then, under Labels, pick which custom labels to show or hide by selecting Show or Hide next to each. Repeat for all the labels you want to adjust. Once you're done, return to your inbox to see your updated sidebar. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.